ChatGPT and Perplexity are both very popular, but each has their unique features. Let's dig into the details to see which one you should choose and the purpose of each AI.
Artificial intelligence is transforming how we interact with technology. Today, we'll compare ChatGPT and Perplexity AI, focusing on their value, user-friendliness, and the accuracy of the information they provide. 1. Overview of ChatGPT and Perplexity AI. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a conversational AI chatbot designed to generate human-like text based on user prompts. Perplexity AI, on the other hand, functions as an answer engine, merging AI capabilities with real-time web search to provide concise answers with source citations. 2. Value proposition. ChatGPT offers both free and subscription-based plans, with the premium version providing access to advanced features and models. Perplexity AI also provides free access with options for paid plans, offering features like real-time information retrieval and source citations. 3. User-friendliness. ChatGPT boasts a straightforward chat interface, making it accessible for casual conversations and creative writing. Perplexity AI presents a clean interface that delivers direct answers, complete with source links for further exploration. 4. Accuracy and relevance of information. Perplexity AI excels in providing up-to-date information by accessing the web in real time, ensuring users receive current data. ChatGPT, while powerful, relies on its training data and may not always reflect the most recent developments. 5. Recent findings on AI accuracy. A recent study highlighted that AI chatbots, including ChatGPT and Perplexity, can sometimes produce factual inaccuracies, especially concerning current events. This underscores the importance of cross-verifying AI-generated information. Both ChatGPT and Perplexity AI offer unique strengths. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize conversational interaction or real-time sourced information.
If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.